If you are looking to make over $3,000 per month publishing simple books on Amazon, then watch this video as I take a look at this niche that can easily be created in 1 or 2 hours, or even less with the tools I'm going to show you in this video. So the niche is bucket list journal. As you can see, if you type bucket list journal on Amazon search, it will show you that it has 1,000 results for this niche, which is amazing. So the first criteria, which is the competition, is ticked right. So we have 1,000 results, which is nice. And then let's see the rankings. So I use a tool which is DS quick Amazon view, something like that, and you can add it to your Chrome for free, which show you the rankings right here immediately without need to click on the book and see the rankings from inside. So as you can see, we have rankings here 87,000 and here 21,000, and this one is 3,112 and 11. So this one is amazing, to be honest, and very, very low. So the lower ranking, the better is it. So this one is 49,000, and as you can see, we have couple or more than 3 books that have rankings less than 300,000, which what we want. So that means that this niche is profitable and we can make sales on this niche. So as we go to see the interior, how this bucket list look from inside, if you don't know, bucket list is like number of experiences or achievements that a person hopes to have or accomplish during their lifetime. So there can be alone, with friends, with couples, and so on. So if we go to this one, for example, it has a good ranking and the cover is unique. So it's shit we are gonna do together. So it's a bit funny and unique with simple text in a black background. So really easy cover to create. I'm not telling you to do the exactly same, but you should be unique with your ideas. So if we look inside in this book, you can see that firstly, they mentioned 100 blank lines, as you can see here, with a box to take it when it's done. So here, the person who buys this will fill it with the thing that they want to do, and when it's done, they will tick here in this box. So this is 100 blank lines, and here are the details. So for example, this design is look like this. So here the number of the goal, and here the title. We want to do this because what's the reason? 3 lines. Then to accomplish this goal, we need to, what you need to accomplish this goal, and the target date and thoughts and memories here with the date and location. So very simple, and then they duplicate it all the book. So very simple to create. You can create it by yourself in less than 2 hours on Canva, PowerPoint, or any tool that you prefer. So another interior, so you can get different types of interior and different designs. So this one, life begins outside your comfort zone, like a quote or something like that in the beginning. And then the same thing, I think 100 list, and here the same. So the same thing, title, the reason why you want to do this, and what you need to make it happen, and when it's completed, when and where and with whom it was completed, and at the last you insert some blank lines to the reader so they can fill it with memories and thoughts about that experience. And here it's a good idea to say, for example, would we do it again? Yes or no. So very simple to create. And if you don't want, or if you don't know how to create it, you can outsource it if you don't want to invest your time, which I don't know why, because it's barely easy to create. Then you can outsource it, and I'm going to show you later in this video how to do that. So another one, so this book is really nice and with a really nice interior. So as you can see here, this book right here, our bucket list has a ranking of 3,111. So if we go to the calculator here and we type 3,111, you can see that this book is making around 1,000 sales per month, and the price for this book is shocking. So the normal and the average is above $7. So actually 9.9, here it's 8.9, and here is $14. So the royalties for this niche are very high. So for this one, if it's sell by 9.99, then this guy is making more than $3 per sale. So if he's getting 1,000, almost 1,000 sales, and by the way, this calculator seemed to underestimate the actual sales, so normally the actual sales are way more than this number. So if we take the lowest expectation, so 1,000 results or 1,000 sales, and each sales is 3,000, each sales is $3 in profit, and it's more by the way, then he's making more than 3,000 per month only by this book, only by this easy to create book. So look how easy. For example, this one, my bucket list, basic design in the cover. Then this book belongs to only a box, text and lines, and here another quote, and yeah, you duplicate this page all over the book. So look how easy it is. So for example, this one, another one, the same thing. So you should have then your unique style, so you can catch the eyes and catch the traffic and be unique with your style. And here this guy suggested some ideas. You can do it, but you don't have to do it. And here the same thing. So number of the experience, what is the experience, the location, the reason why you should do it, and what you need, and when it's done, then they will rate it here, and dates with some thoughts and memories. So yeah, it's barely easy. It's very easy to create, and you can be creative with your own bucket list journal. So you can get ideas from these books. So for example, this one, look how it looks. So all of them share the same things, like the number of the experience, the reason, the title, and how can we make it happen, and when it's done, where it was, when, and with whom, and some thoughts about it. So it's, as I told you, it will not take a lot of time, and it's making good sales. So when I'm showing you these sales, I'm not telling you that you are gonna get 3,000 by doing and creating and uploading this book. Hell no. But what I'm telling you, that there is many people buying these books. So there is a huge demand on this niche, and the competition is still not saturated. So 1,000 result is still nice, is still promising, at least for me. So you can upload your book, upload a couple of them with a couple of differences in cover, in interior, in keywords. And by the way, you can get more keywords or sub niches with this one. So for example, if we type here, as you want to continue to write on Amazon search bar like this, you will get this column of suggestions from Amazon itself. However, you can get more columns and more suggestions and more keywords, whether it was before, after, and others. And this is by this tool, which is AMZ Suggestion Expander, which is a free tool. You can edit your browser, and it has a pro version, but for me, the free version is enough. So as you can see, bucket list journal, you can see sub or mini niches from this niche. So bucket list journal for couples, for example, or for women. Here, a national park bucket list. So as you can see, this one is a sub niche from this niche. So also 1,000 results, and as you can see, 214,100. So 188. So this niche is also getting good traffic, which is specific National Park Journal or National Park Bucket List Journal. So you can dig in and find sub niches. So here you can see that you can write our bucket list for 2 or more people, my bucket list for 1 person, and for example for a family or for friends, and so on, for retirement and travel bucket list journal. So you have many keywords that you can use in your 7 keyword boxes that can get traffic from different sources. Sorry. So here is a lot of keywords, and the interior, as I showed you, is fairly easy to create, not that difficult, and you can do it as I told you from Canva, which is free, or even from PowerPoint or any website, or you can outsource it. You can subscribe or buy it from Creative Fabrica. If you type here bucket list, you can see that you have here many interior for this niche. So for example, this one, bucket list journal KDP, it has 4 reviews with score of 5 star. So this one shows here this interior of bucket list already created. You can download it and use it commercially, and you should check that if you are able to modify it, because some are PDF version, so you can't edit it to your unique, because I advise you to make it unique for yourself. So even if you outsource it, if you buy it from Creative Fabrica, make some changes to make it unique for your theme, for your style. So this is for this niche. It will take you maybe 2 hours to create the interior, maybe half an hour to create the cover design, and then upload it, and boom, you can make up to 3,000 to 1,000, couple of hundreds. So you can make a part-time or second income with these niches. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.